What's up, guys? Right now we're here at Virgin Beach in East Bali, and when they say Virgin Beach, my God, it is really such a gem. It's really, what you can say is virgin because there's not much people around. I think there's just one other couple that we saw that are just here, and I don't know where the rest are. One of the things that I really like about this beach is because the waves aren't as strong as that of Yang Yang Beach, Padang Padang, in Dreamland, and as well as in Kuta. I'll flip the camera over so you guys can see. So guys, this is my view from where I am sitting right now. It kind of reminds me of, that's my husband over there, like kind of reminds me of Blue Water Sumilon in Cebu because of the color of the ocean over here. But it is more calm. It's not much of like the surfing waves, but calming waves, as I should say. Now, as you've noticed, I do have a beach umbrella over here with me. We rented this out for a couple of hours. I actually wasn't able to ask as to how long we'll be able to rent this out, but it is 50K. It already has two beach chairs that has padding on, so very comfortable, and of course the umbrella. If ever you have cold juice, you can just pretty much ask the locals and then to have an order. But for us, luckily we're able to bring some soda and some biscuits with us as well, since we were very up quite early. And yeah, I think we're going to chill here up until lunchtime, because right now it's about 10 in the morning. But it is really, a very good and serene beach, as I just said. You must really try going here. Make the effort to be here at Virgin Beach. Oh, and before I forget, there is actually an entrance of 30K for you to enter in, and then you can just swim, and then there's a small restaurant over there at the other side of the shore. So that'll be it for me today, and see you guys soon.